ఆ తర్వాత కాంతారావు గారికి ముఖ్యమైన విషయం ఇప్పుడు చెప్తున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు అలరజయ్యకి బ్రదర్. కాంతారావు గారిని చూసి ఉచ్చపోసిన తమిళుల గ్రేటెస్ట్ హీరో ఎంజీఆర్. కాంతారావు గారి పేరు అమ్మ బాబోయ్ జానపదాలు. కాంతారావు గారి జానపదాలు చూసి వాడెవడరా బాబోయ్ మొత్తం లేపుకెళ్ళిపోతున్నట్టు ఇండియన్ సినిమానని ఉచ్చపోసిన వాడు ఎంజీఆర్ కాంతారావు గారిని చూసి. కాంతారావు గారి జానపదాలు చూసి వాడెవడరా బాబోయ్ మొత్తం లేపుకెళ్ళిపోతున్నట్టు ఇండియన్ సినిమానని ఉచ్చపోసిన వాడు ఎంజీఆర్ కాంతారావు గారిని చూసి.
నమస్కారం డాక్టర్ రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారు, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్ అండ్ మై కొలీగ్. Just now I saw a video where you were praising the craft of the great actor Kantarao Garu. It's wonderful. An actor praising another actor. An actor respecting another actor's craft. It's a wonderful thing. But when you said something in comparison with the great actor M.J. Garu, I am hurt. Every Tamilian will get hurt. Not only Tamilians, some of your colleagues have sent audio tapes where they are hurt. We in the sense of Telugu industry and Tamil industry have a very long tradition where we exchange our talents. Great directors, actors, musicians, cameramen, writers. And M.J. Garu is not only an actor, not only an entertainer. He was a great leader. He ruled us for more than a decade. He was a very important advisor when the great N.T.R. Garu started a party. Apolitically, we love him, we honor him. I don't want to elaborate this. You know what has happened, my dear friend. Now, please, I'm talking this not sitting in the chair of President of South Indian Actors Association. As a part of the film industry, I'm requesting you to tender an apology from your heart. I think you will justify it.
வணக்கம், வந்தனம், நமஸ்காரம். நான் தெலுங்கு நடிகர் ராஜேந்திர பிரசாத். 2 நாளுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த ஊர்ல ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் நடந்தது. அதுல பழைய நடிகர் காந்தாராவ் சார் அவார்டு எனக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க. அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன்ல பேசும்போது நான் சும்மா அப்படி ஜாலியா பேசும்போது தமிழ் சினிமா கடவுள், என்னுடைய ஒப்பீனியன்ல தமிழ் சினிமா கடவுள் எம்ஜிஆர் சார் பத்தி சும்மா ஜாலியா பேசும்போது ஒரு வார்த்தை மிஸ் ஆயிட்டு வந்துடுச்சு. அது இப்போ யார் பண்ணாங்கன்னு தெரியாது, வேணும்னு பெருசு பண்ணி விட்டாங்க. அது நான் ஒன்னும் அந்த மாதிரி அவர் பேசுவேன். நான் எவ்வளவு தைரியம் எனக்கு. மദ്രാஸ் பிலிம் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்ல படிக்கும்போது அவர் தான் சிஎம். அவர் நாங்க எல்லாம் ஆக்டிங் எப்படி கத்துக்கிறோம்னு பார்த்தவர். அவர் சொல்ற அளவுக்கு நான் இல்லை. இருந்தாலும் அந்த மாதிரி மிஸ் ஆகி வந்த ஒரு பேச்சில் நீங்க யாராவது ஃபீல் பண்ணியிருந்தா என்ன மன்னிச்சுக்குங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி, இனி வாழ்க்கையில எப்பவுமே அந்த மாதிரி நான் பேச மாட்டேன். இது நான் உங்களுக்கு உறுதியா சொல்றது. இந்த தப்பு இந்த வாட்டி மன்னிச்சுக்குங்க. இதோட இது விட்டுருங்க. உங்கள் ராஜேந்திர பிரசாத்.